Drones have revolutionized the way we capture the world, offering breathtaking aerial views, smooth video recording, and versatile uses beyond photography. From hobbyists seeking fun flights to professionals needing advanced features, today's drones come packed with powerful cameras, intelligent flight modes, and impressive range. Choosing the right model can feel overwhelming with so many options available. In this video, we'll highlight the best drones on the market, helping you find the perfect balance of performance, features, and value. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website. Like this video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. DJI Neo, our pick for best budget drone. If you've been dreaming of flying a drone without breaking the bank or the rules, the DJI Neo is your perfect entry point. Weighing just 135 grams, it's lighter than most phones and doesn't require Federal Aviation Administration registration or remote ID. Toss it in your backpack or even your pocket, and you're ready for takeoff anywhere your day takes you. Launching it is as easy as holding out your hand. With palm takeoff and landing, Neo skips the complicated setup so you can focus on fun. Whether you're at a family barbecue, on a hike, or chilling at the park, this little drone makes filming effortless. Smart subject tracking and 8 quick shots modes give you pro-level vlogging tools with zero learning curve. Just tap a button and let Neo follow you, orbit you, or pull off cinematic angles that would take hours to master manually. You've also got flexibility in how you fly. Choose controller-free operation, voice commands, your phone, or the traditional remote control. It's fun and accessible no matter your style. When it comes to video, Neo doesn't cut corners. It records in crisp 4K Ultra HD, and with DJI's stabilization tech plus level 4 wind resistance, your footage stays smooth even on breezy days. Whether you're hiking, kayaking, or just hanging out, you'll get footage that looks polished and ready to share. Affordable, portable, and packed with smart features, the DJI Neo makes flying fun and filmmaking simple. Number 4. Potensic Atom 2, our pick for best registration-free drone with remote ID. If you want a drone that delivers pro-level shots without the hassle of registration, the Potensic Atom 2 is ready to fly. At just 245 grams, it's under the Federal Aviation Administration threshold, giving you freedom to launch anywhere without paperwork slowing you down. Despite its small size, this drone packs serious imaging power. The half-inch Sony complementary metal oxide semiconductor sensor captures breathtaking 48-megapixel photos and smooth 4K at 30 frames per second high dynamic range video, stabilized by a 3-axis gimbal. With an f1.8 aperture and 4-in-1 pixel tech, low-light scenes look brighter, sharper, and full of detail. Its upgraded remote with PixSync 4 tech delivers a crystal-clear 1080p live view and a range up to 10 kilometers, so you can fly farther with confidence. AI-powered tracking makes creative shots effortless. Whether you're using spotlight, follow, or parallel modes, the Atom 2 keeps you perfectly in frame. Even night flights look crisp and cinematic. For creative flair, explore vertical shooting, panoramas, dolly zoom, slow motion, and quick shots. Sharing your clips is fast too, thanks to smart transfer speeds of up to 25 megabytes per second. Beginner-friendly controls make flying simple, with global navigation satellite system positioning, customizable home points, cruise control, auto takeoff, and smart return to home. And with up to 32 minutes of flight per battery, you'll capture more in every session. Lightweight, intelligent, and powerful, the Atom 2 makes the sky yours. Still searching for the perfect drone? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. HoverAir X1 Pro, our pick for best selfie drone. If you want a drone that doubles as your personal cameraman, the HoverAir X1 Pro has your back. Built for creators and adventurers, it captures cinematic 4K at 60 frames per second footage that makes your hikes, rides, and ocean escapes look like they belong on the big screen. Whether you're shooting in wide horizontal 4K or vertical 2.7K for social feeds, your content comes out crisp, sharp, and ready to impress. Shaky footage? Not here. With Smooth Capture 2, you get a 2-axis gimbal, electronic image stabilization, and horizon leveling that keep every shot steady and polished, even when you're on the move. Paired with its 104-degree field of view lens, your clips pop with immersive detail and cinematic flair. The best part? It's totally hands-free. Launch it from your palm with a click or a voice command, then let the fully automated flight modes do the work. With options like hover, zoom out, follow, and dolly track, the X1 Pro films you like a pro director while you stay in the moment. Thanks to its omni-terrain system, this drone can handle snow, water, cliffs, and just about any adventure you throw at it. And when speed is key, it keeps up effortlessly, tracking you at 42 kilometers per hour with bursts up to 60 kilometers per hour, while advanced algorithms lock you perfectly in frame. From skiing down slopes to cycling at full pace, the HoverAir X1 Pro turns your adventures into cinematic memories without you lifting a finger. Number 2. DJI Avata 2, our pick for best FPV drone. If you crave flying that feels more like strapping into a cockpit than piloting a gadget, the DJI Avata 2 is your ultimate first-person view machine. Built for thrill seekers, it delivers an immersive experience through first-person view goggles, putting you right in the middle of the action with every twist, dive, and roll. Control couldn't be more intuitive. Thanks to DJI's motion control system, you steer with natural hand movements instead of fiddling with endless buttons. Even if you're new to drones, flying feels second nature. Smooth, confident, and insanely fun. Want to look like a pro without hours of practice? The Avata 2 makes it easy. With one-button acrobatics, you can pull off flips, rolls, power loops, and 180-degree drifts that turn every flight into an air show. Add rock-steady and horizon-steady stabilization into the mix, and your footage stays sharp and steady no matter how wild you get. With wide compatibility, supporting DJI Goggles 3, Goggles 2, Integra, and multiple remote control motion controllers, the Avata 2 slots seamlessly into your FPV setup. At just 377 grams, it's lightweight yet powerful, making it the perfect companion for high-adrenaline content creation. Whether you're chasing speed, freedom, or cinematic first-person view footage, this drone brings it all together. The DJI Avata 2 doesn't just fly, it launches you into the sky with style. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. DJI Mini 4 Pro, our pick for best drone overall. If you want a drone that packs pro-level power into a travel-friendly frame, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is the one to beat. Weighing under 249 grams, it's light enough to skip registration in most places so you can take off without paperwork slowing you down. Whether you're chasing epic travel shots or just learning the ropes, this drone makes flying effortless. Its 4K at 60 frames per second high dynamic range vertical video is a game changer, letting you capture stunning sunrises, sunsets, and night scenes with cinematic clarity. Ready to share instantly, no editing required. And with a 48 megapixel still camera, every detail of your adventures pops with rich, sharp brilliance. Worried about crashes? Don't be. With omnidirectional obstacle sensing, the Mini 4 Pro spots obstacles from all sides, keeping your flights safer and smoother, even if you're new to drones. Pair that with extended battery life and you'll spend more time soaring and less time swapping batteries. Long-range flights? Covered. With up to 20 kilometers of full HD video transmission, you'll experience real-time aerial views that are crisp, clear, and lag-free. Add in Active Track 360 degrees, and you can create smooth, professional tracking shots without needing years of piloting experience. Compact, powerful, and ridiculously smart, the DJI Mini 4 Pro gives you freedom in the sky like never before. From casual flyers to content creators, it's the drone that keeps your creativity and your adventures limitless. Woo! We made it! That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of best drones. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which drone you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen! Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.